I feel bad for him. This is definitely the worst marathon I've ever witnessed. Yeah, things didn't go as planned.
Bruh.
Throw it up. Start kicking like.
Yep, that happened quickly, and just as I predicted, the strong always come out on top. After this epic fail, he'll never touch a gaming console again.